What's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to Train G's with G. This your boy G. This video is going to be on Netflix, one of the biggest companies in the world. It's number 21 in the world, above Costco and Home Depot, as you can see. This is, as y'all know, it's a streaming service company mixed with tech. It's a Bay Area. It's another major juggernaut company from the Bay Area over there in Santa Clarita area. This company absolutely exploded. It went up over $60 billion, around $60 billion in market cap just this past Tuesday, January 22nd. I know I'm a few days late. It's Sunday. I just got done watching the football games. My Eagles are going to the Super Bowl once again. Fly, Eagles, fly. You know what I'm saying? Chiefs, yeah, we're going to face them again. Hopefully they don't three-peat. But yeah, now I'm going over this video. So New Orleans is going to be lit in a couple weeks. But let's get back to it. So this company is now worth $417 billion as of tonight, the 26th. It's going ballistic. It was about 365 billion just on the 17th, and when the earnings came out Tuesday, the stock rose over $100 in after hours. Peep the hashtag, or sorry, the thumbnail. I'm not lying. I don't do clickbait videos. Y'all know I keep it 100. Part of the reason why this stock exploded, it had to do with the fight between Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. Also had to do with the Christmas NFL doubleheader games. But really, the Super Bowl performance, not Super Bowl, but Super Bowl level halftime performance by Beyonce at the Houston Texans Chiefs game. So the streaming juggernaut reported record new subscriber signups in the last quarter of 2024, nearing 19 million new subscribers, bringing the total number of subscribers above 300 million. Just ballistic. This is why the company has been surging. Oh my goodness. The company is quick to point out the success of the late years sports programming, including the boxing match and the doubleheader, the Beyonce halftime show. Man, it's just amazing. Netflix drove more than 650,000 new subscribers in the days surrounding the NFL games. We all know why. If y'all watch some of my AMC videos, Beyonce is a huge influence, not only with the black community, but on the national and international world scale. She's obviously in that Mufasa Lion King movie. She helped that movie go through the roof, as well as the original one back in 2019. And if y'all remember, towards the end of 2023, her and Taylor Swift had that concert deal with AMC and made movies out of it. So anytime Beyonce pulls up, especially to do a performance like at a football game in her hometown, Houston, Texas, yeah, that's going to bring a lot of women in there. It's going to bring a lot of black people in there. I just feel like Netflix took advantage of the black community's passion for boxing. We all grew up watching Mike Tyson, as well as R&B with Destiny's Child. So this is what they do. They're going to use these puppets. They're going to use these millionaire, billionaire celebrities that are of color. They're going to attract people like me to go subscribe for Netflix, to watch the fight with Mike Tyson. And yeah, for the ladies, even the fellas, I'm a Jay-Z fan. They're gonna have us go to Netflix to watch these games on Christmas, not on ABC, but Netflix. So their plan worked. I'm not knocking the hustle, but people just gotta wake up and see what these companies are doing. They're buying out everybody and everything. Shout out to Beyonce and Mike Tyson. Not hating, I'm just pointing the biggest elephant in the room out. That's all I'm saying. And they also went up on their fees for all their subscriptions. I'm not surprised. They tried doing that last year and it failed. A lot of people got upset and started subscribing. But They went up on their fees again. I still pay for the ad one when I was a kid watching Nickelodeon Cartoon Network. It was cool having commercial breaks. I can go to the bathroom, take a piss, and go grab something out the fridge. Now they want you to pay all this extra money so you can watch more shows that they're going to pull off anyways and more movies that they're going to rotate and pull off anyways. Me, I'm old school. I'll wait for the ads. I'll wait 2 minutes. I don't care. But yeah, they're finessing us, man. For the longest, I didn't even have Netflix. I just got back on recently to watch some of these events, and I'll probably get off when I feel like it. But that's just me. But yeah, this article right here just breaking down everything. They also made a lot of money off WWE. They were streaming Monday Night Raw. I grew up watching wrestling. Back then it was on cable TV, Spike TV, and now Netflix took over last year. And they got the Vince McMahon documentary that was going crazy with his sexual allegations. And they got new shows coming out. They're having to deal with the UFC. They're probably going to end up doing sports on occasion. This article pretty much they're not really looking to do sports, but for them to surprise us will be the thing for them. Obviously, to generate more revenue. They're going to have the Women's World Cup in 2027 and 31 on Netflix. So they're periodically going to be doing different deals with sport companies. All right, so I'm going to get to the chart work. I'm not going to hold y'all up. So, like I said, Netflix exploded at after hours. This is my extended hours chart. The dark blue is after hours. The orange is pre-market. So, like I said, before earnings happened, this was trading like in the 860s, 870s. Right after the bell, when they had the good report, boom, it exploded. It exploded $112 like instantly, and into the night and pre-market the next day hit an all-time high of $1,006. But then the classic rug pull happened. Shout out to all the long-term excuse me, shareholders of Netflix. You guys really won. This company's been public since the early 2000s, starting at like 30 or 40 cents a share. But yeah, this is the hour time chart, by the way, and this thing started tanking. It went all the way down from pre-market all the way down into the next day, Wednesday, to like the 950s. And right here, I have these trend lines over here. I'm gonna go to day chart, and as of Friday, we're at around the 970s, like 974. Or sorry, 977. So over here, this is pretty much a consolidation stage. I'm looking to see if there's going to be a double top or a double bottom, and maybe it's going to break out of here or break down here later on. I would stay out of this play if you guys are trying to trade it. I gotta make a disclaimer. Listen to the dreadheaded trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own designated driver. Anything I say, you cannot trust 100%. However, I do have your best interest, and I always keep it 100. If you get wrecked in day trading, swing trading, investing, it is not on me. Holler at a financial advisor if you want to invest in anything or trade. With that being said, what I'm doing, I'm staying far away from this. For one thing, I don't really want to risk all my capital. Trading this is very expensive. I'm going to go to the options prices in a minute, but I want to show y'all just the history of this company. It went public in 2002, and look at that. The all-time low for Netflix, 34 cents. This company was only worth a few $1 billion when it started off. End of the year, this is the end of the year year history of the market cap. So right now we're at 417 billion. $0.2 billion. All the cryptocurrencies they don't want us to buy, with the market caps this low and the low billions, they're not going to tell us to do that. They're going to tell us to buy Bitcoin, right? So all the people out there that's been investing in Netflix and held up until now is filthy rich, man. And that's why I'm hoping for crypto. But what I'm trying to show y'all is your 401k, your 403b, if you're a teacher or if you're a nonprofit worker of some type, your Roth IRA is gonna have Netflix in it. And if you invest now, how much money are you really gonna make at 1,000 a share? You know, you got to be in the ball game early with these stocks. I would not advise anybody to buy Netflix right now. It's at an all-time high. Personally, if I were to get into Netflix as an investor, I would have it get out of this zone. It'll have to get out of like the 940s. It'll have to take like a monster dip or at least hit this resistance line, or better yet, tank down here. But if you go to weekly chart, woo, very bullish, man. And I got the RSI over here, and it's at over 80. So it's very, very overbought. It's an overbought stock. I would say, y'all, just wait for a dip. If you do day trade or swing trade, you're gonna have to be very, very careful. And I'm gonna show you why. So contracts are just expired were around 2 racks. I'm sorry. This is January 31st, coming up this Friday. My bad. So if you want to get in on Netflix at the money, you're looking at about 2,500. That's like $2,000, man. I kid you not. When I was looking at contracts, I was just with my binoculars. I was just window shopping. I kid you not. When earnings happened, I was checking these prices. These were at $13,000 starting off at the money. 13,000. See this here? You know, I wasn't getting in on that. You should never go half or all in on a single trade. So I'm talking to the ballers. You know what I'm saying? All the guys out there, all the ladies out there that are big time traders, you guys ought to really just watch it. Like during earnings, a lot of these prices are going crazy with the options. It's just volatile. Prices pick up like crazy. And if you hit on earnings, it's a gamble. You won. Congratulations. You know, a lot of y'all made some serious money. But if you lost, you most likely wrecked your account or just took a big loss on it. And now you got to play catch up. So, with all that being said, like I said, I'm going to do another video on Netflix financials specifically for those y'all that are into reading the numbers like me. And for the most part, there's other tech stocks that have earnings this week. You got Tesla, you got Microsoft. Tune in for episode 5 of my free tip trading series. I'm going to be covering earnings calendars and why you should look out for earning calls for stocks. Because when you do options, like I was mentioning a minute ago, the prices fluctuate. And not only that, it's really gambling. It's not safe to really do any trading around earnings for a stock. And the next earning report is projected for April 22nd. So I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. This your boy Trading G's with G. I'm out.